3 bags. Okay, so the bathroom's closed. I don't know, do you guys like it? So glad I met you.
Yeah, no, I saw.
Cool, so I think I just got like discovered. Already loving these. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. You may be wondering why I look like this. I am trying to add some more body back into my hair and I have these like rollers, but it's so hot in here and I have on this hoodie. I'm going to do a solo photo shoot, as you can tell by the title. I wanted to do this last week, but I was just honestly just not feeling it. I also could very well not do this right now because I have a photo shoot on Sunday. We're renting this studio, me and one of my new friends, and we're gonna take photos there, so I'm definitely gonna have a good amount of content from that. I still want to show you guys how to do a solo photo shoot. I'm only doing 3 outfits. I'm gonna do these jeans with this top. That purse is going to be used. I'm doing an athleisure outfit. I'm doing these sweats with this black coat. And then I'm going to do these leather pants with this fur coat and probably that shirt under it. When I'm wearing the coat, I just want the coat to be the focus. And then when I wear the shirt, I want the shirt and pants to be the focus. And then I'm going to have accessories and different shoes as well. But right now I'm going to do my makeup. This mirror has a glare on my face. If you have a business or if you're just trying to monetize your Instagram or your YouTube, it's really good to have content just ready because I don't always look nice every day. Any day that you can get content, definitely go for it. I feel like I don't even want to keep talking like this. I like want to get some makeup done. I'm gonna do my makeup real quick and then I will talk to you guys more when I look somewhat presentable. Just something natural. I kind of do the same thing every time. My lips are tinted because of the Balm.com from Glossier, the fig flavor. So I'm gonna start off with my athleisure outfit, but I just have on white socks, white Air Forces, black high-waisted joggers that keep falling down, and then I have on NYX Nike sweatshirt. And I'm gonna wear a long coat with it. You guys will see when we go out there. I have this bag I'm bringing. This is Doc Martens because they wouldn't fit, they're so large. At first, I really wasn't into it. I wasn't even like trying to do this today. I was like, I'll probably do it tomorrow, or I'll probably just do a different video for this Sunday, but I actually persevered and I'm actually gonna go do this. It's 11:23 right now. I kind of wanted to go early. That was just me putting that limit on myself. So a couple of things you need if you want to do a solo photo shoot by yourself. One is confidence. That's something I'm still working on. Like if someone walks by and stares, I don't care, but if they like linger and stare, then I'm just like, ugh. I'm just gonna try not to care about that because I'm doing this for my business. I need content for my business. There's a purpose. I'm going to bring my tripod. This is the tripod that came with my ring light that my mom gave me. I'm just not gonna bring the ring light because I'm gonna be outside. Plus, if I wanted to use it, there's no way I can. I have to plug it in. And then it came with this little thing for your phone, so I can put my phone in here. So what I'm gonna do is put my camera on. I'm gonna make sure it's all the way tall. I want it the tallest it can possibly be, and I think this is it. So it's not as tall as I would like. I kind of wanted it at like face level, but it's okay. I can use angles. I'm gonna put my camera here so you guys can see my poses. I'm gonna use this remote. This actually also came with the ring light, this, and then this little thing here. It came with 2 of these. It's hooked up via Bluetooth to my camera on my phone. I'm gonna take photos like this, and anytime I wanna do something like this, or with my hands in the picture like this, I'm gonna set up the timer on my phone. In fact, I'm gonna do that now. I really wanna be able to capture really good photos and not feel stressed out or feel like I have to rush. I'm gonna try it real quick because I wanna see if I hit this, if it's gonna start the timer or if it's just gonna take the photo. Probably should turn it on first. It did. It just did a 3-second countdown on my phone. I think that's more than enough time. That way, if I want to do stuff like this, I can go like 1, and then I can put it up in my pocket or something and bring my hand back up. A lot of tips and tricks here of how to be your own photographer. I'm gonna bring the remote, make sure I turn it off. I had another one of these and I think it came with my handheld tripod, and I had left it on for so long. I never turned it off, so like it completely died. I'm gonna bring my tripod. I'm gonna feel so like legit. Like every time I see anybody with the tripod when I'm like walking around and stuff, and I see people with the tripod, I'm just like, they must be doing something serious. Like they must be so legit. Originally, I was gonna wear a wig. I have this wig from Bellamy or Bellamy. I don't know. You guys know I'm so bad at this. I don't know. I didn't know if I wanted to wear it or not. I'm gonna put it on right now. You guys tell me if you like it. Obviously did not brush it that well and it's not like laid the right way, but this is it. I kind of feel like Cher. Like I feel like I look like Cher. I'm just not comfortable with it yet. It's really long. Look how long it goes. This is a synthetic wig. I don't know. Do you guys like it? I kind of wanted to wear it today when I went to go take photos, but I don't know. I feel like I need to be more prepared for this. Like I want to make it look really good. I want to have like accessories go with it. I want like hats and stuff. I'm gonna take this off before it messes up my actual hair. So like I said, I'm doing a photo shoot on Sunday. I kind of want to bring this wig. I'm probably gonna take the train too. I'm not gonna take a car. Normally this train has problems on weekend. I'm sure it's freezing outside. I always seem to do this in the cold. I have like 3 bags. Let's go ahead and get going. We're going to Dumbo. Okay, I am in my first location right now. It is under the Manhattan Bridge. Sorry that I'm like bent down. I have to because my camera tripod, like I showed you guys in my apartment, is not that tall. I'm just gonna try to get a couple photos here and hopefully they turn out good. She's a Mona Lisa. Okay, I think I got enough in this location. I kind of want to do all of my photos here, but for now I'm gonna go change. Passing the Humphrey Loft again. I'm here all the time. Okay, so the bathroom's closed. I was kind of counting on that so I can go ahead and change this to my different outfits. So I'm gonna go find another bathroom.
We got the iPhone. We got the new iPhone.
No, I get the 12. I like the 11. Thanks, I've been practicing.
Let's do. There you go. All right, here we go.
I'm so glad I met you.
Yeah, no, I saw you there, and I saw you.
Over here, like just.
I said, this is shoot.
Cool, so I think I just got like discovered. I met somebody who actually is a photographer and he's done a lot of work and he got a lot of cool photos of me. We should exchange information. You never know what's gonna happen. I'm just gonna take a couple more shots in this look, even though I'm probably gonna get a lot from him. It's snowing now. I have my coat backwards because it is freezing. I have one more look. This is getting really old having been down for the camera. This is the outfit with some Doc Martens. I just wanted something like more street style. I love street style. That seems to be the style I go for. I'm just gonna take some along this wall. I might go to like the Humphrey Loft area and get some by the water. And then I seriously need to go because I am so cold. Already loving these. Like, what? I just got some photos here, but it's so cold. I'm just gonna go ahead and go to the train now. I'll see you guys back at the apartment. Wow. I just unpacked, used the bathroom. Like all those times I went to the bathroom, I never actually used the bathroom. I just changed. I normally don't drink coffee this late, but I'll make an exception because it's cold and I'm tired and I got a lot done today, surprisingly. This was a lot of fun. Like I got a lot of cool shots. I'm gonna put some on the screen right now. This isn't even all of them. It was so cold, it started snowing for a second. Now if you're wondering what the process is of like what I do with these photos now and like how I choose, I don't like to look through them the day of. I really try to wait until either that night or the next day because I'm so critical of myself. I took live off my camera, by the way. That's something I should have said at the beginning. Make sure your camera's not on live photo if you have an iPhone, and make sure you have the photo grid on because it really will help you take more professional looking photos. I used to have live photo on. I took a course recently that told me not to do that, but when I did have it on, I would be able to go through the live photo, like, you know, you can hold it down, and I would find the best one. If the chosen key photo wasn't what I wanted, I would just change the key photo. So it just gave me more options, which is cool, but it also is really overwhelming. So I took off live photos, so that really helps with that. So I go through and I delete all the ones that like are just not usable at all. And then I choose all my favorites out of the ones I have left. Like I actually favorite them on my phone. I go to Lightroom and I go to my favorites, so I have all the ones I want in one section, and then I add a preset to it. There was one time when Aspen Ovard had a sale going on and she had collabs with all these other Instagrammers, and they had all of these presets. They had like guides to Instagram and how to monetize it. I haven't even downloaded all of them because you have to do each one manually. I recently just took a course from Boss Babe and she had really cool presets. She only has like 6 or 7, so it's a little less overwhelming, and her aesthetic is very similar to mine, so it works out perfectly. Try to use the same preset on every single one, and if one of them doesn't work, I use one of the other ones within her collection. I'm trying to make my Instagram look more uniform. I want it to be like very New York fashion. I just wanted to showcase like my creativity a little better. That's what I do for my pictures, and then after that I will schedule them. I use Planoly. The sun is like going behind these clouds and I'm getting like 10 different types of lighting in here. That's what I do for content creation. If you can, do a photo shoot by yourself. I just hung out in Dumbo today and it was perfect. I love going in there for photos. If you live somewhere else, I used to do this too, be like, I don't live in like a cool place, like I can't get cool photos or whatever, but yeah, you can get cool photos. Just work with what you have. Do apartment photo shoots. Just be creative and know that you can get photos if that's what you really want. There's been so many trends going on too, like the mirror trend was a thing. I never did that, but I kind of wish I did. I think I got like maybe 2 weeks of photos, which isn't as much as I normally like. I like to go for a full month, but like I said, I'm doing that photo shoot on Sunday, so it's gonna be fine. If you made it up this far, comment the camera emoji. If you have any questions about how to do a solo photo shoot, or if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you guys next time.